about that, Oso. You were supposed to turn when I turn.
Oh, turn when you turn. I should do that when I'm following Wolfie in my hovercraft. Turn when he turns. Thanks, Gavin.
Thanks for cheering me up, Gavin. I feel a lot better now. That's what friends are for. It's nice to see you smiling again. Hey, Oso, thank you for helping me cheer up Jennifer.
Always happy to lend a paw, or hand. Now I've got a training exercise to finish. Bye!
Thanks, Oso! Bye, Oso!
Bye, Oso! Thanks! You're welcome!
Welcome to Elimination Time. I know it's your favorite part of the show.
Actually, I find it boring and repetitive.
Well, maybe this will be your last one.
Oh, yeah.
Knife? Have you gone over your sarcasm notes lately?
No.
I have failed you.
This time, the prizes are concert tickets to Spoiled Lemon.
Needed your special assignment.
I couldn't have done it without your help. Paw Pilot, tell us what we did.
Your special assignment was a success because you followed 3 special steps. By using the checklist along the way, here are the things you did today. Check 1.
You asked if your friend was okay.
She was really sad.
You
Check
found
2.
out what was wrong.
She missed her grandpa.
Check 3.
You helped her think of something happy.
Like dancing with her grandpa.
And Jennifer felt better thanks to her friends.
Your special assignment was a success. You did the 3 special steps.
And for that, you've earned a special assignment Digi Medal.
Look, Mr. Dose gave us another Digimedal.
Jennifer! Yay!
Help smiling. This special assignment really cheered me up.